This is our background image. Then we take our model. Just simply drag and drop your model in your background image. You can see that the color is totally different and resize your model as per your background. So this one is placed, and now we are going to match that background color with model color. So this is your model. Just duplicate this one. Go to quick selection tool. Select your model. Go to make selection and zoom your brush by pressing bracket key and simply rub this one and decontaminate color and make new layer. Then press OK. The hairs are selected finally. Now we are going to edit, image, then auto tune, and again go to image and make auto color. Go to camera raw, filter, select camera raw and click on auto, then press OK. Filter, Nik Collection, Color Efex Pro, select L03 or this one, then press OK. Do all this in bracket or group and see the complete change.